Hubble showed us galaxies we never knew existed, but the James Webb Telescope takes us even further back in time. It cost $10 billion, took 30 years, and thousands of scientists to build. But why is the James Webb Space Telescope so special? The night sky looks peaceful, but behind those tiny dots of light are mysteries older than Earth itself. To uncover them, we built the most powerful space telescope in history, the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST. In this video, we explore what makes it unique, how it was built, and the journey it took into space. First is, why do we need space telescopes? Our eyes can only see a small part of the universe. Even the best ground telescope struggle because Earth's atmosphere bends and blocks light. That is why scientists launch telescopes into space above the atmosphere where the view is crystal clear. The Hubble Space Telescope launched in 1990 gave us breathtaking images and revealed galaxies hidden in empty part of the sky. But Hubble mostly sees visible light just like our eyes. That means it can't capture the full story. Second one is, enter James Webb, a time machine in space. James Webb launches in December 2021 is designed to see infrared light. Why infrared? Because the universe is expanding and light from far away galaxy stretches into the infrared spectrum. Webb can pick up this faint stretched light, allowing us to look back over 13 billion years. Think about that. When Webb looks deep into space, it's actually showing us how the universe looked shortly after the Big Bang. Third, where is Webb located? Unlike Hubble, which orbits close to Earth, Webb sits 1.5 million kilometers away at a special spot called L2, 4 times farther than the Moon. At this location, Earth and the Sun gravity balanced out, making it easier for Webb to stay stable while observing the universe. But there is a catch. It's so far away that astronauts can't repair it. Everything had to work perfectly the first time. Fourth one is the design, not your usual telescope. Webb doesn't look like a traditional telescope tube. Instead, it has a giant gold mirror made of 18 hexagons. These fold up for launch and then unfold in space. Gold was used because it reflects infrared light really well. A sunshield the size of a tennis court. This protects the telescope from heat and light, keeping its instruments extremely cold, essential for detecting faint infrared signals. 4 main scientific instruments. They can study galaxies, the star being born, planets around other stars, and even objects in our own solar system. Fifth one is building Webb, a global effort. Webb was not built in one place. Mirrors were crafted in the United States. The sunshield was made in California. Final assembly took place at Northrop Grumman. Testing was done at NASA Johnson Space Center in Houston, and it launched abroad as European Ariane 5 rockets from French Guiana in South America. This was truly an international project. NASA, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency worked together to make it happen. 6th, the launch and unfolding on Christmas Day 2021. Webb launched into space, but the real nail-biting part came after. For 2 weeks, it slowly unfolded piece by piece. Solar panel, antennas, sunshield, mirrors, like the world's most complicated origami. One wrong move and the mission could have failed, but everything worked perfectly. 7th one, the first image and discoveries. In July 2022, NASA released Webb's first images. They were sharper, deeper, and more colorful than anything we had seen before. Webb has science revealed. Galaxies billions of years old, the birthplaces of stars inside dust cloud, sign of water and molecules in the atmosphere of exoplanets. Each image reminds us how small we are and how much more there is to learn. Now the 8th one is, how long will Webb last? Webb was designed for about 10 years, but thanks to efficient fuel uses, scientists believe it could last up to 20 years. That means 2 decades of discovery waiting to happen. In conclusion, we can say the James Webb Space Telescope is more than just a machine. It's a time traveler, a storyteller, and a giant step forward in our quest to understand the universe. From the tiniest molecules to the oldest galaxies, Webb is rewriting what we thought we knew about space. So what secrets will it reveal next?